How to go live on Instagram. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel App Guide. In today's video I will guide you on how you can go live on Instagram, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now there are no any type of criterias on Instagram where you have to go live, because on TikTok how it works is that only if you have over 1000 followers you will be able to go live, but that doesn't work on Instagram. You can go live even if you have 0 followers. So all you need to do is open up Instagram, then just log into your account, tap on the plus icon from the bottom, just go to live option from the bottom, select your settings, choose a title, select your audience, whatever else you actually prefer, then just tap on this icon to go live, and all of your followers will get notified that you are actually currently live on Instagram. That is it on how you can go live on Instagram. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.